Welcome to VibeTutor, a personal AI tutoring platform built around the way you prefer to learn. Instead of one generic assistant, you choose a tutor with the right subject, personality, language, and teaching style. Then you can move naturally from a quick question to a focused lesson, without losing the context you have already built. Start from the tutor directory. Search for a subject or topic, browse current tutor lists, or open the latest tutors page from the footer to meet new arrivals. Each card gives you the essential fit at a glance, the tutor's focus, learner level, languages, and specialties. Save promising tutors to your favorites, then compare a few before choosing one. Open a tutor profile to see much more than a portrait. VibeTutor explains the tutor's subject focus, lesson format, languages, personality, specialties, classroom tools, and who the lessons fit best. You can review a sample greeting, learner ratings, real platform activity, a 4-week progress idea, and relevant alternatives before you begin. When you are ready, pick the format that matches the task. Use text for a quick explanation or ongoing conversation. Start a live voice lesson when talking is faster and more natural. Or open the interactive classroom for work that benefits from a shared board and structured tools. Your tutor profile and saved learning context carry into the lesson. The classroom combines a live tutor conversation with several focused workspaces. You can ask the tutor to put an equation on the whiteboard, write structured notes in the notebook, build an example in Code Lab, create a quiz, or prepare homework. VibeTutor detects the requested activity and routes it to the matching tab, so you do not have to translate a learning request into interface commands. You can still switch tabs yourself whenever you want. On the whiteboard, draw a diagram, work through a formula, or mark the exact place where you are stuck. With auto-sync enabled, the board waits at least 5 seconds after your latest change before sharing the updated state with the tutor. That quiet window avoids interruptions while you are still drawing. Turn auto-sync off when you want complete control, then share only when you are ready. The tutor can inspect the board and add clear drawings of its own. The other tabs turn a conversation into reusable study material. The notebook keeps organized explanations and equations. Code Lab gives programming examples a dedicated space. Quizzes let the tutor check what you understand, while homework creates assignments that can be reviewed later with tutor feedback. References and classroom history help the lesson stay coherent as you move between speaking, writing, solving, and reviewing. For a larger goal, ask a tutor to build a personalized learning path. The path breaks the goal into practical lessons you can return to from your account. Complete sessions, record evidence of learning, and use mastery checks to see what has really stuck. Your progress remains connected to the tutor and the goal, and completed eligible paths can produce a certificate you can download or share. Your account is the hub between lessons. Return to saved tutor conversations and messages, review active and completed homework, create and master flashcards, continue courses, or reopen a learning path. The dashboard brings the next useful action forward, while the profile keeps your preferences, favorites, and learning activity together. VibeTutor keeps expanding beyond traditional school subjects. You can find language-specific tutors, artists for drawing, painting, illustration, murals, watercolor, and sketching, plus career, hobby, and specialist profiles. The latest tutors page highlights new cohorts, while community tutors lets learners create and discover additional AI tutor profiles. Your profile also shows your learner rank among active site users. Points come from 6 kinds of saved work, courses and homework, tests and mastery, learning paths, flashcards, tutor practice, and consistency. You see your own points, rank, and progress toward the next position. Other learners' names and scores stay private. That is VibeTutor. Discover the right teaching personality, learn through text, voice, or shared tools, and build visible progress over time. Visit VibeTutor.online, choose a tutor, and start with the question already on your mind.